We discuss the topics partial ordering and total ordering, also the closure of relation. First of all, we define the term partial ordering relation. Partial ordering relation means that relation is reflexive, antisymmetric and transitive. We know that a relation is reflexive means A related to A for all A element in the set. Also, antisymmetric means A related to B and B related to A implies A equals B. Transitive means A related to B and B related to C implies A related to C. If a relation is reflexive, antisymmetric and transitive, then that relation is known as partial ordering relation. Okay. If a set together with a partial ordering relation, a set together with a partial ordering relation is known as partially ordered set or poset. Here, consider an example, power set of A, that is set of all subsets of a set, or consider collection of any set. Under the relation inclusion, subset of, is this a poset? First we check, is it a partial ordering relation? Inclusion is a partial order relation because every set is a subset of itself. So, this relation inclusion is reflexive. Also, it is antisymmetric because if A is a subset of B and B is a subset of A, this is possible only when A equals B. Okay, then we check the transitivity. If A is a subset of B and B is a subset of C, then definitely A is a subset of C. That is, the relation is transitive. So here we get reflexivity, antisymmetry and transitivity. Therefore, this relation is a partial ordering relation, and the set together with this partial ordering relation is called a partially ordered set. Okay, consider another example. Set of all real numbers. Consider the set of all real numbers together with the relation less than or equal to. Is it a poset? Definitely it's a poset because every real number is less than or equal to itself. Here also equality holds. So A less than or equal to A for all A belongs to the real number set. Also, if in a real number A less than or equal to B and B less than or equal to E, that definitely implies A is equal to B. So, this relation is antisymmetric. Also, A less than or equal to B and B less than or equal to C, then the real numbers A and C are related by the relation A less than or equal to C. So, this is also transitive. Therefore, R less than or equal to is a poset, partially ordered set. Okay, now we move to the next definition, totally ordered set. Totally ordered set. Totally ordered set. A totally ordered set is always a poset. That is, by the definition of totally ordered set, a poset AR, that is the set A together with the relation R, is called a totally ordered set. Is called a totally ordered set. Is called a totally ordered set if every pair of elements in A, if every pair of elements in A is comparable. That is, we can compare every two elements by this relation R, then that set is called a totally ordered set. Okay, that is, every totally ordered set is a partially ordered set, but the converse need not be true. Every poset need not be a totally ordered set. Okay, for example, we consider a set S is equal to, we consider a set S is equal to set null set, set AB, set A, set B, and set AB. Okay. Consider the set S is equal to null set, set A, set B, and set AB. Then there is a relation defined as inclusion or subset of. So first we check S subset of, is it a partially ordered set, or this inclusion is a partial order relation. Definitely it's a partial order relation because every element, if we consider set A, it's a subset of itself, set B, it's a subset of itself, and set AB is also a subset of itself, null set is also a subset of itself. So this relation is reflexive. Is it antisymmetric? Definitely. Antisymmetric means a set is a subset of it. If A is a subset of B, no, A is not a subset of B. Here A is a subset of set AB. But AB is not a subset of A. If A subset of B and the B subset of A, then here A is equal to B. So this is antisymmetric. Also this is transitive because we know that A subset of B and the B subset of C, then definitely A is a subset of C. So it is reflexive, antisymmetric and transitive. Therefore this relation is a partial ordering relation and the set is a partially ordered set. Now check, is it a totally ordered set? How can we check the total ordered set? By comparability. We can compare any two elements in the set. If we take any two pair of elements, we can compare by this relation inclusion, then this is a totally ordered set. If we consider null set and set A, it is comparable. Null set and set B, it is also comparable. And null set and set AB, it's also comparable. And the set A and the set AB, it is also comparable by the inclusion. Set B and the set AB, it's also comparable by the relation. But if we choose set A and set B, we couldn't compare with the inclusion operation. A set A is not a subset of B. So we couldn't compare with the relation inclusion. Okay. So this is not, all the elements in this set is not comparable. Therefore this poset is not a totally ordered set. This is a poset but it is not a totally ordered set. Okay. Consider another example. If A is any set of positive integers, if A is any set of positive integers and A with the relation divisibility, is it a totally or partially ordered set? Definitely. Any number divided by itself. So it is reflexive. Is it antisymmetric? Yes, definitely. A divides B and B divides A. Then that implies A equals B. And A divides B and B divides C. Then definitely A divides C. Okay. So it is reflexive, antisymmetric and transitive. Therefore this relation is partially ordered. Is it a totally ordered? No, it is not a totally ordered, because if we take 2 and 3, 2 is not divisible by 3 or 3 is not divisible by 2. So we cannot compare these two elements by the relation divisibility. So this is not a totally ordered set. This is not a totally ordered set. Okay. Also consider another example. Set of all A is set of all real numbers. Set of all real numbers. And consider the relation A and less than or equal to. Set A under the relation less than or equal to. Less than or equal to is reflexive and asymmetric and transitive, therefore it is a partially ordered set. Is it a totally ordered set? Definitely. If we take any two real numbers, we can compare it with a less than or equal to symbol. If we take 2 and 3, 2 is less than or equal to 3. If we take 7 and 19, then also 7 less than or equal to 19. Okay, so any two elements in this set is comparable. Therefore, A less than or equal to is a poset. Also, it is a totally ordered set. Okay. Next, we define closure of a relation. Closure of a relation. Okay. We